Hello friends, in this exercise we are going to learn about subtotal. Now this database is currently sorted on basic. Now let's sort it on department. For that I will click on department and will sort it on department field in ascending order. Now you can see each department is at one place, like HRM is at one place, ITS is at one place, LD3 is at one place. For better visibility, I have colored this data, colored the data department wise, so that data of each department is visible separately. Now, if I want to get the total of basic of HRM department, I will have to insert a row out here and will have to use some function. Similarly, the same thing will be repeated here, here and here. For this thing, we have got subtotal function, in which grouping of the data is done automatically and the total is calculated based on clustering. Here we are going to cluster the data on department. For that I have sorted this data on department. Now let's click on subtotal. It is in data menu and we are going to subtotal. This dialog box will open and it has got three settings. At each change, here you will have to select the field on which you have sorted the data. We have sorted the data on department, so we will select department here. Use function decides which function you want to decide. So there are functions like sum, count, average, max, mean, product, etc. So select the function sum. Now add subtotal to which field? Since your basic is a numbered field, so it has automatically selected basic. So let it be basic. This is checked. Now let's click OK button to get the result. You can see we have got the total of HRM department, ITS, LD3 and SNTI separately, and also we have got a grand total. You can observe here you have got certain handles. You can click 2 to get the summary of this subtotal. You can click 1 to get the grand total, visible only. If you click 3, the data will expand. So this collapsing and expanding of data is possible by clicking 1, 2 and 3. Some exercises are given here and you can do these exercises. I am doing one for you, like in question number 3. Use subtotal to calculate department cum section wise average salary. Now, what is this? You will have to sort the data on department first and then on section, right? So we are using this custom sort, and here we will use department as the first level of the sorting and will add one more level, and we will select section here to add another level of sorting, and we will click OK. So it is giving you a certain message because you have used subtotal here. This is why this message is coming. So click OK. So again, subtotal has been removed and the data has been sorted first on department, then followed by section. Now on this data, again you can use subtotal, but this time you will have to select section here to department. To get this department comes section wise subtotal. Use function sum and to add subtotal to basic. Again I am clicking OK button to get the desired result. So here it is. From HRM department, admin section has got this total, and payroll section from the same department, HRM department, has got this subtotal. So you can see department comes section wise subtotal has been calculated this time. I hope it is well understood now. Now if you want to remove the subtotal, what is the clue? So click anywhere on the data and then go to subtotal, and there is a remove all button out here, and you can click it to remove subtotal from database. So click it, remove. This has removed the subtotal. Now this is ready for any other calculation. So thank you very much. Happy learning.